The masterclass for me encompasses so much, but I think it's more about the community. And I really feel like there's a true sisterhood here in the community, that we all are supportive and encouraging and have a desire to learn and continue to keep growing and then giving back to our clients and to each other. It's all our love for Keri Glassman. Hi, I'm Nancy Mancini. I'm from Colton Neck, New Jersey, and I'm a wellness and fitness coach. The Nutritious Life Masterclass is anyone who is passionate in health and wellness and in nutrition. It can even go broader, but I think people that really are wanting to dedicate their life to learning more about helping their self as well as others in the health and wellness space.